Mary's County Library. Welcome back to another one of our Science Fun for Kids videos. Today we're talking about condensation. So what is condensation? Let's think about that word. To condense something means that you're making it smaller. So think about a sponge. If you squeeze it, you squeeze all the pieces together, make it smaller. To condense. The type of condensation we're talking about is related to physics. So that kind of condensation means to take a substance in its gas form and turn it into a liquid. So we're going to do a little experiment where we can see that happen. All right, let's start. For this experiment, we're going to need a glass with some ice in it and some water and something to stir with. So here I have my glass and it's full of ice. I'm going to put some water in it. Already, we're starting to see some condensation. If I spin it around to help cool it off, already I'm starting to see some water on the outside. So where is this water coming from? Do you think it's coming from inside of the glass? What's really happening here is that there are molecules all around us right now. There's water molecules in the air, and there's also other things like nitrogen and oxygen. They're all floating around us. But they're in a gas form, so that means their molecules are moving faster. They're spread out a little bit. But what happens when we cool them down? When we cool down our molecules, they slow down, and they start to turn into a liquid. So we got some air, some water molecules that are out here that are right beside our jar, and they're slowing down, they're turning into water. It's a little hard to see the water on the outside of this glass, so I decided to take our experiment outside where we could probably see it a little bit better. Okay, so I'm outside and it's hot outside today, so got a lot more water forming. So I'm just going to start stirring it again and see what happens. There we go. We can see a lot more condensation now. Thanks for experimenting with me today. If you guys want to learn more about condensation, then you can check out the book called Condensation by William B. Rice through our Hoopla app. Hope you guys are having a lot of fun with these science experiments. If you are trying them at home, then send us a photo or just check in and let us know how it went for you. We'll see you next week. Bye!